In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ask a question and give feedback in the Perplexity iPhone app. Let's get started by opening the Perplexity app on your iPhone. When you launch it, you'll land on a clean screen that's ready for your question. Think about what you want to know, then type it into the prompt field. Clear, specific questions usually lead to better answers. For example, include any context that matters, like your goal, the format you want, or any constraints. Once your question looks good, submit it and give the app a moment to work. You'll see it gather information and assemble a response. This brief pause is normal. Perplexity is pulling together relevant details for you. When the answer appears, take a moment to read it from top to bottom. Then scroll to the bottom of the answer. This is a helpful habit because additional details, clarifications, or links can appear near the end, and you don't want to miss anything important that supports the response. Scrolling also gives you a better sense of how thorough and relevant the answer really is. Now look toward the bottom right of the screen and tap the three dots. This menu is where Perplexity groups extra options you might want to use after reviewing a response. It's designed to keep the main screen simple while still giving you quick access to advanced controls when you need them. Even if you don't use these options right now, it's useful to know where they are so you can come back to them later. If you find that the answer is unhelpful, you can tap on the thumbs down icon to rate it as not helpful at all. This quick rating is valuable feedback. It tells the system that the response missed the mark, which helps improve future answers for you and for others. Be thoughtful about when you use it. Reserve a thumbs down for answers that are inaccurate, incomplete, or off topic, rather than those that simply need a bit more detail. Your input is an important part of refining the quality of results over time. And that's all there is to it. Open the app, ask your question, and wait for the answer to appear. Scroll to the bottom to fully review it, tap the three dots on the bottom right to see more options, and if the answer falls short, use the thumbs down to rate it as not helpful at all. Thanks for watching and enjoy getting clearer, more reliable answers with Perplexity on your iPhone.